Hello. There are many useful reports in Jira software that provide valuable insight into your projects, people, and issues. In this video, we'll explore the Jira software Release Burndown report. The Release Burndown report shows how your team is progressing against work for a release or version. It is optimized for Scrum teams that work in sprints and displays all sprints for a specified version. The report enables you to see how quickly the team is working through the backlog and how work that was added or removed during a sprint has affected overall progress. The Release Burndown report also predicts how many sprints it will take to complete a version based on past sprint performance. Each vertical bar represents a sprint and contains color-coded information about work related to that sprint. Light green segments represent work completed during a sprint. Light blue segments represent the remaining work in the version out of the total work that was estimated at the start of the sprint. Together, these two segments represent the total work in the version that was originally estimated at the start of a sprint. Dark blue segments indicate work added during a sprint that was not part of the original scope. Together, the dark and light blue segments represent the total remaining work at the end of a sprint. Gray bars are the predicted number of sprints it will take to complete the version, based on previous sprint performance and changes during those sprints. Use the drop-down above the chart to select a version for the report. You can choose from versions that are in projects configured for your board. Click any sprint bar to display a summary of completed, added, and remaining work. Below the chart is a list of all issues for each sprint in the report. Click an issue link to view more information about the issue. Now, let's take a quick look at how to access reports on both cloud and server versions of Jira. To access reports on the server version of Jira, navigate to your desired project, select Reports from the left taskbar, then select the desired report from the Agile Reports display. If you're already viewing a report, you can select a different report from the Switch Report dropdown. To access reports on the cloud version of Jira, navigate to your desired project, select Reports from the left taskbar, then select the desired report from the Agile Reports display. Alternatively, you can select a report from the report list in the left taskbar. For more details about Release Burndown reports and other Jira reports, please refer to the Jira documentation. Also, you can enroll in the Jira Reporting and Dashboards on Demand course from Atlassian University.